Interest rates are at their highest levels since July of 2020. And the question is, will that tank home prices? Hi, this is Rick Elmendorf. In today's video, we're going to be discussing just that. I wanted to bring a weekly update kind of to those that are buying a home right now and any of those real estate agents that are currently fighting the good fight. So let's go ahead and get started. Recently, I wrote an article about this very topic. What are happening to home prices since we've seen rates starting to increase, and what will continue to happen? What kind of market are we in? So let's take a look at this. I will tell you this, is that home buyers have been feeling it for quite some time, and they've been maybe late last year. There's just been an atrocious seller market. I say atrocious, I mean great for sellers, right? But not so great for buyers. But it's just been absolute carnage. Many of those buyers have just literally thrown in the towel, and they've said, hey, I'm just gonna go ahead and rent. But rates stay low. Sellers are still pretty much in control, but things are changing. So I have to ask myself, who is in control now? And we're starting to see this euphoric pricing of the sellers kind of be dwindled down by some negotiating, by some kind of logical arm's length transactions that are going on, non-arm's length. I always get those two confused. Sellers and buyers are actually able to come to the table instead of it be this, hey, I'm your seller and you can go ahead and stand there with 50 offers and we'll just take a look at them and call you back. And if I don't call you back, then sorry, have a nice day. Hey, something's happening. Buyers and the sellers are absolutely able to negotiate now, which is a wonderful thing. So I wanted to talk about this though. There's still data that's existing out there that may be confusing some people as to what market we're really in. So if you look at the actual data like home sales and home prices, you're gonna see that home prices are still at their high. The home prices, everything's appreciating, and July was the fourth straight month to hit record home price growth at 19.7%. I mean, yeah, all the data is great and all, but what we have to remember is this data is lagging by at least a good 2, maybe 3, almost 4 months. So what you're really looking at with this data is homes that were going under contract 3 and 4 months ago. Well, of course, we were in an absolute nightmare seller market back then. So what's a buyer to think now? There was a really good statement by Freddie Mac, which is one of the agencies that buy mortgage-backed securities. They make this statement. They said, we expect mortgage rates to continue to rise modestly, which will have an impact on home prices, causing them to moderate slightly after increasing over the last year, meaning the last 20 months or so, Freddie. No, honestly, let me translate though. If mortgage rates go up, housing will suffer. It's not going to be the same housing market. Rates are going up. Well, we're in this kind of an interesting catch-22, and the buyers are still benefiting from low interest rates. Anyway, I wrote this article to, I guess, let you know where the market is today and what's happening. And the good news is that buyers still have an amazing low interest rate market that they're in, and they're able to now maybe negotiate a little bit with the seller. I'm seeing a lot of really neat things come across my desk that I didn't see a year ago or even 3 months ago. So keep at it, keep strong. If you have any questions, you can click the button to chat with me. You can schedule a call or just pop me an email. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and I will see you next week. Have a great day.